This segment is about mouthpiece care.
It's important to keep our mouthpieces clean. If we've been sick, germs remain on our mouthpiece and we want to keep our mouthpiece germ-free. Also, calcium will build up, gets on the mouthpiece, and that's a normal thing to happen. So it's all the white specks that will build up there. So we want to keep those off and keep the mouthpiece clean on the outside and especially the inside. So there's some proper ways to clean it. Some good natural cleaning agents, because remember, this is going in your mouth, so it's best to clean it with something really natural. Vinegar, white vinegar does really well. Also lemon juice. Sometimes it comes in a container kind of like this. Lemon juice is also a natural cleaner. I also have just this mouthpiece cleaner here, so you can spray that on. Also, if you just want to get rid of germs and maybe do a quick cleaning, you can use rubbing alcohol or hydrogen peroxide. So for today's demonstration, what I'm going to do is use half a cup of water, or it is about half a cup of water, and about half a cup of vinegar. So I'm doing equal parts. If I was going to do lemon juice, I would not do equal parts. I would do a little bit less of the lemon juice. All right, so let me put this in here. So the number one most important thing when we're cleaning our mouthpiece is that we not submerge the entire mouthpiece into the liquid, because we don't want to get the cork wet. So I used a really small glass. If you have even something smaller, would even be better. But I'm going to let that soak for a little bit. You can have it soak for about 5 minutes. For today, I'm not going to do 5 minutes. I'm just going to do a few seconds. But again, I don't want it to, I'm not going to let go of it because I don't want the cork to be submerged in the water. All right, so some other things that you can use to clean your mouthpiece are, I have this mouthpiece brush. You can use a mouthpiece brush or just another soft brush. I also like to use Q-tips as well. All right, so we're going to pretend that that's been in there for a while. So I'm going to go in and just brush the inside, make sure it gets clean. Be careful not to scratch it at all. Okay. Also, kind of for the outside, sometimes I'll use the Q-tips. So notice I have a mouthpiece patch on. You can either take the mouthpiece patch off. I do recommend using a mouthpiece patch because it does keep your mouthpiece in good condition. Teeth marks can change the outside of the mouthpiece. We don't want to have divots or anything like that in there. Plus, mouthpiece patches are good to secure your teeth on there without having to bite. But you don't have to take your mouthpiece patch off to wash your mouthpiece unless it's dirty. So then I usually use Q-tips and go in also and clean the inside. And I'll use that to kind of clean all the calcium on the outside. So just from soaking it for a few minutes, it did clean it very nicely. All right, so how often do I do this? Several times a month I will clean my mouthpiece. It won't hurt your mouthpiece, but it's very important. All right, bye.